So there's what we're gonna do. Fuel shutoff valve. Whew. It's gonna be tough, but you gotta take the challenge. Whew. Good luck, Stevie. All right, so I'm back. It's time to put the fuel shutoff valve back in, and I went ahead and moved the fittings over. There's the old one, there's the new one, and you know we're going down through that hole and possibly looking through that hole. So I'm gonna just set the camera in there and see if I can get any action. I don't know. We'll see. Definitely got to put some light in there. Definitely got to put some light in. So let's give it a shot. The hard part is going to be getting this bolt in. It goes bolt, bushing. So bolt, I don't know if you can see that. Where the hell am I pointing? Alright. Bolt, bushing, gotta do it by feel. Where are you? There you are. Bushing. Now, I gotta get this valve in there. I don't know if I can lean over and see it or what. Oh, I know one thing, I gotta get rid of that one. Uh-oh. My bushing's still on? Yeah. Now this is all doing it by feel. I don't know. Yeah. I can't feel it. Oh my God. Is that it? Oh, I got it. No. Oh, I thought I had it. You know what thought did? Oh, this is ridiculous. I can't see what I'm doing here. What the hell is in my way? There. Oh, man. Oh, scheiße. Oh. Uh-oh. Something tells me I better do the bottom bolt first. Better do the bottom first. Shoot. Wanted to do the easiest first, but that's not gonna happen. Just didn't have bushings on. Great. Now my finger's in the way. I don't see you, you sucker. Where art thou? Now I gotta try to get a nut on that. Going blind. Oh, shoot. I'm right there too. Oh no! I'm gonna drop it. Dropped it. So much for the first try. Here we go. Number 2 try. That don't look like my new bulb. Where's my new one? Where you left it? Right? Yeah. Alright. Gotta get the bushing on. Alright. Bushing's on. I'm gonna get the nut. Oh, I'm right there too. Oh, got it. Got it. One down. One down. I don't know if you're getting anything. One down. In your little hideaway. Whew. One down. One to go. Well, just to get it on. Yeah. Oh, I need my damn glasses. I can't see. This might be totally useless. Ow. Having my camera under there. Where are you? Where the hell is the hole? Oh, I forgot the bushing. Shit. Yeah. I need this bushing. Uh-oh. This might be hard. Uh-oh. This is gonna be hard. Trying to do it by feel. Okay. can't do it, but I feel it's not letting me get my hand in there. Where are you? There you are. Ah, so friggin' close, but no cigar. Ah. Oh, I got it. Stay there. Stay. Don't move. Do not move. Oh. Now. Nut. Where's my nut? There ain't no effing way I can get my hand in there. Alright. Still recording. Changing my tactic. Now, I think I lost did I lose the pushing? Yep. Where'd you go? There you are. Ow! Oh man! Woo! Right under my fingernail. Chinese friggin' torture. Gee! Oh! Cotter pin under the fingernail. Lovely. Oh, that felt great. Oh, I can't find you. Where are you? Oh my God, I'm nowhere near you. How did I do that last time? Did I do it from the other side? Yep, definitely drew blood. Ooh. I don't even remember how I did this. Yep, that's fun. How the hell did I get this bushing on? My back can't take it anymore. You put a bushing on this, man. Oh, look, there you are. Right there. Shh. I'm like totally blind. Totally blind. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. One hard part down. We got this far before. Alright. Now. fucking cross-threaded around. Not gonna go too tight. Gotta be able to get those lines on. Now, where's the bottom one? You'd think this fucking boat was 100 miles long. I just want some play, and I didn't give myself much play. Wanted to give myself some play to get these lines on. You don't want to tighten up the lines till you got them both hooked up. Woo! Back-breaking work. Now I don't even know where the other line's at. I can't even believe I just got that lucky. I can't believe it. I got that lucky. And it went right on. I can't believe it. Oh, you know, 43 minutes it took me. Whew. I won't make this video that long, but you could see that was a bear. Now I gotta hook up this That was a bear. Well, that took about an hour. Took about an hour to get that fuel shut-off valve in. So, there it is. So yeah, I had to undo that B-nut right there. And I'm trying to get some light on there. That one right there. And then one over there. I don't even know if I'm pointing at it. But, whoo, that was tough. It was tough. Now, I hope I don't have any leaks. So working through this hole, looking through this hole. My back is dead. My back hurts. Time to relax. That's all I'm doing.